Good morning, class 4th, chapter number 3, reproduction in animals. Student, we were discussing in previous lecture animals that lay eggs. Now, student, in this lecture we will discuss the life cycle of birds. Okay, student, let's start. So, student, if we talk about birds, all birds have similar life cycle. They have similar life cycles. And first, you can see this diagram also. This is a diagram of a life cycle of a hen. So all birds follow this cycle. So what is the first process? What is the first process in the life cycle of a bird? First of all, the birds lay eggs in their nest. You can see. First, they lay eggs in their nest and incubate them. Now, what is the meaning of incubate? What is the meaning of incubate? What is the meaning of this? Student, incubate means the bird sit on egg 4 weeks to keep them warm till they hatch. Understand what I am saying? Incubate means the birds sit on their eggs 4 weeks to keep them warm till they hatch. Understand? So first, birds lay eggs in their nest and incubate them. And now, student, the baby bird develops inside the egg. When it is fully developed, the baby bird peeks open the shell of the egg and emerges from it. And this is called hatching. You can see. First process, this is the first process, student. Lay egg, then these eggs incubate by the birds, and when the baby bird peeks open the shell and emerges from it, and this is called hatching. This process is called hatching. And now, the parent birds feed their young ones and take care of them until they are able to look after themselves. And then you can see the baby chick and the chicken. You can see this. So understand, I am explaining again. You can listen carefully again. All birds have similar life cycles. First, they lay egg in their nest and incubate them. And the baby bird, when they incubate the egg, so in this process, the baby bird developed inside the egg, and when it is fully developed, now when it is inside the chicks is fully grow, so now baby bird picks open the shell of the egg and emerges from it. You can see. And this process is called hatching. And the parent bird feed their young ones and take care them until they are able to look after themselves. Then it means we can say that the parents birds feed their young ones and take care of them until they are able to look after themselves. When this chick is developed into chicken, so parent birds feed their young ones and take care of them until they are able to look after themselves. Then they look after themselves. And this life cycle of the birds. So student, I hope you understand. Now if we talk about student egg, now we will discuss the structure of egg. Can see, now we will discuss what is inside of the egg and what is the structure of the egg. So you can see student, there are the some part of the egg inside and outside. You can see this. First is a eggshell, then egg membrane, then albumin, egg yolk, embryo and air sac. So we will discuss one by one. So student, first we will discuss the outer covering of egg, eggshell. First we will discuss the eggshell. And student, eggshell, it is a hard covering. You can see outside, this is the hard covering of the egg. And what is the function of this eggshell? It protect the content of the egg. Content means albumin, egg yolk, egg membrane, embryo, air sac, and these are protected by these content. These are the content, and these content are protected by eggshell, and so it is a hard covering of the egg outside. Okay students, now student, we will discuss the egg membrane. We have discussed the egg shell, now egg membrane. And you know where is it present? Yes student, it is present just inside the eggshell. You can see this is the egg membrane and it is just present inside the eggshell. Okay students, now if we talk about student, next is the albumin. So you can see, have you seen egg? An egg, there is a white watery part of the egg. So albumin, it is a white part. You can see this is a white part. This is a white part of the egg. It is called albumin. And what is the function of this part? Albumin. And this albumin gives nutrition and water to the baby and protect it from jug. It is a white part, watery part of the egg, and it gives nutrition and water to the baby. It means it supply the nutrition and water to the baby, and it also protect from jugs, any injury. Now student, we have discussed today eggshell, egg membrane, albumin, and in next lecture we will discuss the left part of the egg. So first you revise this life cycle. Okay students, and then only you should know the three parts we have revised: eggshell, albumin and egg membrane. Okay students, take care, bye.